May I please invite Dr. Divya Shikhar Sethia ma'am to give an overview of the exemplary projects and activities at Samsung Lab.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I am privileged to brief you about the research collaborations and activities in the Samsung Innovation Lab. And it's a very valuable moment for me today. I come from industry. Having worked with Cisco Systems in US for quite some time, I moved into academics. I always felt there was a gap between industry and academics, and this lab has really worked in bridging that gap. We have already been working in a lot of research projects jointly in collaboration with Samsung, where the fresh minds from students from DTU, they are working with Samsung teams, and very innovative ideas have come up, which I'll briefly give you a brief gist. And as Sir said, time is perfect. COVID has taught us many things, and this lab has been set up with the main idea about setting up research focus areas of healthcare, artificial intelligence, mobile system performance, and mobile security. We are all been using these technologies to the best possible end. So many new problems have come up, and it has given potential for research to all students here in DTU. More than 100 students so far have worked in the research projects and have come up with many research publications, and it's a joint effort across departments, Department from Electronics, Professor Indu, and certain other faculty members, Professor Ruchika, Rajni ma'am, Anil Parihar sir, all of us, we have been involved in research projects here, so it's a really privilege. The journey of this lab started in June 2018, when Professor Daya Gupta ma'am asked me to accompany her to Samsung to meet Mr. Naresh Gupta. And there the seeds of this lab idea was laid, and Mr. Naresh Gupta was our DTU alumni. This led to a MOU being signed in January 2019. There was a space search. This space which you find out over here used to be an invigilation hall. And Professor Yogesh Singh sir was very kind to grant us the opportunity to have a signed MOU with Samsung so that this could be converted into this beautiful lab. The lab was finally conceptualized with devices, IT and the research devices in February 2020. So our students have been working continuously, be it COVID, remotely or in lab with all distance protocols. We have been working continuously on these research projects. And just to show you the glimpse, this was the lab. This was the space before. It used to be an exam room, and it has been transformed to this beautiful facility. Students have been working, as I said, on innovative project ideas. To name few, we've worked on healthcare, on interesting ideas, developing practical implementation of ideas. As sir had said, students are inspired to work. Dementia, a mobile application for detecting dementia through picture recognition. Stress and attention recognition through physiological biomarkers. These projects already are in progress. This M-Flame Gaze also was an application. The prior motivation was to bring about combination of yogic practice, flame candle watching to improve the attention of children. And this emoji project is already in progress with Samsung teams for emoji prediction for their business unit. Security, we have been working on improving the lightweight security protocols for secure revocation and selective sharing of devices with multiple users. This has been an innovative project on coroutine, Kotlin coroutines, where the idea contribution was from our student, DTU Kshitij, he's present out over here, and Samsung was very interested, and it was a joint collaborative work where a patent idea is under review, and 2 publications are also under review. Students have actually developed these DEX applications based on the devices provided by Samsung. They have been uploaded on the Galaxy Store, and lot of downloads are there. They have been published with the name of SRI and DTU collaboration. We have published 5 papers since February 2020, and around 7 are under review in journal conferences along with some patents. So this dementia idea was a very well recognized idea. It won the best conference paper award recently in February. So these were certain publications. So research activities, every week we are involved with multiple team meetings with Samsung. Besides the projects, we've been involved in training, camera tech training was there, machine learning training was provided. We also organized a webinar in which we were fortunate to have Mr. Ankur Sood and Mr. Bappa Mondal deliver talks in the area of healthcare and security, along with other academia and industry that we had invited. So it's been a very beautiful journey so far. It's a biometric enabled lab with seating of 30 students. Few glimpses, projection and all the security facilities. So we are really grateful to Samsung for this beautiful facility, for the research devices which has led students to explore cognitive science. Interdisciplinary areas have been explored, which gives them lot of satisfaction and challenges to work on real life problems such as attention, stress, which is bothering students also during this hard time. So we are working on real interesting real life problems to serve the humanity, as sir said. So we are all motivated. There's a beautiful LFD wall which has been set up in the canteen. This was the hub where the students used to be mostly be gathering, but right now we are looking forward for those old times to come back. In the end, I'll just summarize a quote from Henry Ford: coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. So it's a long journey we have to initiate with Samsung, and I see that we have lot of potential. We have bright students in DTU, and we can take forward with innovative applications that can serve the society and also give good, bright business ideas to Samsung. Thank you. Honored to be able to thank such an esteemed gathering here to bestow their time and presence for the inauguration. Our humble thanks to Samsung for setting up this innovation lab that has laid the gift of curiosity, innovation, imagination in the young minds. We have more students applying for research projects every semester. The pace at which the research projects are going in the lab, it is really transformed into a mini startup environment. I'm grateful to Mr. Ru, MD Samsung, CTO Mr. Amit Kumar, Mr. Lee, expat Samsung, Mr. Ashish Gupta, Dr. Ashish Namdeo for their valuable time. Thank you so much for gracing the inauguration for the lab, and it is so nice to see our alumni Mr. Amit and Mr. Ashish to be here as part of this inauguration ceremony. I'm thankful to Mr. Naresh Gupta from Samsung, who was the alumni of DTU, with whom we initiated the MOU. This lab was set up with all his immense support. Dr. Ashish has been very kind to offer all the help from the setup of the lab, all our collaboration meetings with the different teams. He has been a very resourceful person and a really great support. And I'm really grateful to Mr. Ashish. He has taken up all our requests for workshops, training, and has helped build a very strong relationship between DTU and Samsung. Really, thank you so much. I'm extremely grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Yogesh Singh, Sir, for his constant encouragement for research, development, giving wings of imagination, practical implementation to faculty as well as students. Really, sir, this lab was possible only with your support. So we have been able to transform this facility, and thank you for your valuable time for the inauguration. We are thankful to Professor Samsher Singh, sir, for his support for the MOU and always providing the administrative technical support to enhance the lab from DTU. It's a really big thing, sir. Thank you so much. Our head of the department, Professor Rajni Jindal ma'am, has always been a very strong pillar of support, guidance in strengthening this MOU. Thank you, ma'am, for your constant encouragement and guidance. It means a lot. I'm grateful to Professor Daya Gupta ma'am for introducing us to Samsung. It was her perseverance for the initial meetings and constant motivation that we could have this lab. Thank you, ma'am. So it's an honor, ma'am, to you. Thank you so much, Professor Ruchika ma'am, for taking your time for this inauguration. The backbone of this lab are the bright students of DTU who are filled with curiosity, imagination, and the will to reach and explore new heights. It is really overwhelming to see their passion for research projects. In this lab, they are bubbling with energy and ideas for the next generation solution which can benefit humanity. And I'm thankful to our students over here today, Aditya, Shikha, Shalini, and Kshitij, for their support for the inauguration. I'm grateful to all the faculties who have collaborated for the research projects. Professor Indu ma'am from Department of Electronics, Professor Ruchika ma'am, Professor Anil Parihar, Dr. Aruna Bhatt, Professor Rajni ma'am, all of us have been contributing to these research projects over here. The backstage support is also the most crucial for the success of any project. And our lab assistant, Mr. Rajat, I'm really grateful for all his honesty, commitment, under whose guidance this lab was set up and it's actually maintained. In the remote teaching manner, the things have been working, nothing has stopped. He has been a really great support. In the end, I would like to offer good wishes to all and pray that the bond of strong research partnership between DTU and Samsung strengthens, and may we be able to come up with more practical applications that can benefit humanity and also serve as business ideas to Samsung. Thank you all.